Welcome back to Everyday Explained. Today we're covering one of the most common household problems people make worse without realizing it: clogged drains. Many homeowners reach for harsh chemical cleaners, boiling water, or random internet tricks that can quietly damage pipes, seals, and plumbing connections over time. In this video, we'll break down how drains actually clog, which methods are safest for different pipe systems, and several lesser-known techniques plumbers regularly use before expensive service calls become necessary. We'll also cover warning signs that tell you when a clog is becoming a serious plumbing issue, how to avoid damaging older pipes, and practical maintenance habits that can reduce future blockages dramatically. Some drain problems can be solved in 5 minutes with the correct approach. Others become expensive because people use the wrong solution first. Most household drain clogs do not begin as complete blockages. They usually start as gradual restrictions caused by soap residue, grease, hair, food particles, mineral buildup, or paper products catching inside pipe walls. Over time, the inside diameter narrows until water movement slows noticeably. Recognizing this early stage is important because partial clogs are far easier and safer to remove than fully compacted blockages deeper in the system. One useful habit is timing how long water takes to drain. A bathroom sink should normally clear standing water within seconds. If water begins pooling for more than 15 to 20 seconds regularly, buildup is already forming. This gives you an opportunity to intervene early using low-risk methods instead of aggressive chemicals later. Small changes in drainage speed often reveal plumbing issues weeks before full failure occurs. Different drains require different strategies. Kitchen clogs are usually grease and food-related. Bathroom sinks often involve hair combined with soap residue. Shower drains typically contain hair mats deeper inside the trap. Toilet blockages behave differently because toilets are designed for solid waste movement rather than narrow debris accumulation. Treating every clog the same way is one of the most common mistakes homeowners make. Before attempting any unclogging method, determine what type of pipes your home likely uses. Older homes may contain galvanized steel, cast iron, copper, or aging ABS systems. Newer homes often use PVC. Some materials tolerate heat and chemicals poorly. For example, repeated boiling water exposure can weaken certain plastic fittings and seals over time. Pipe age matters just as much as pipe material during drain maintenance. One of the safest first responses is surprisingly simple: hot tap water combined with dish soap. Not boiling water, hot tap water. Dish soap helps break down grease films coating pipe walls, especially in kitchen drains. Let the soap sit for several minutes before flushing with hot water slowly. This method works best on partial grease restrictions and avoids many of the risks associated with stronger chemical reactions. A lesser-known trick involves using gravity strategically. Fill the sink partially with hot water before releasing it all at once. The added water weight creates stronger flushing pressure through the trap and horizontal pipe sections. This often clears softened grease and loose debris more effectively than running a weak stream continuously. It is simple, low risk, and surprisingly effective during early-stage clogs. Baking soda and vinegar can help in some situations, but expectations should remain realistic. The bubbling reaction looks dramatic, yet it is usually not powerful enough to dissolve major clogs. Where it does help is loosening light organic buildup and reducing odor causing residue. Use roughly 1/2 cup of baking soda followed by 1 cup of vinegar. Then allow 15 minutes before flushing with hot tap water. One important caution: never combine vinegar treatments with commercial chemical drain cleaners. Mixing chemicals can create dangerous fumes or reactions inside enclosed plumbing systems. If a chemical cleaner was recently used, flush thoroughly and wait before trying alternative methods. Many drain injuries occur not from the clog itself, but from accidental chemical exposure during rushed attempts to fix it. Hair-related clogs respond best to mechanical removal instead of chemicals. A simple plastic drain extraction tool, costing only a few dollars, often removes surprising amounts of compacted hair from bathroom sinks and showers. Insert slowly, twist slightly, and pull upward steadily. This is safer for pipes than repeatedly pouring corrosive products into the drain, especially in homes with older plumbing infrastructure. Many people underestimate the importance of the P-trap. This curved pipe section beneath sinks is intentionally designed to hold water, blocking sewer gases from entering the home. Unfortunately, it also becomes a natural collection point for debris. If a sink remains clogged after safer surface methods fail, inspecting and cleaning the P-trap manually is often more effective than escalating to stronger chemical solutions. Before removing a P-trap, place a bucket underneath and wear gloves. Even clean-looking sinks can contain unpleasant wastewater and bacteria inside the trap. Loosen fittings carefully rather than forcing them aggressively. If fittings resist heavily, avoid over-tightening or cracking plastic connectors. Older plumbing parts can become brittle with age and may fail under unnecessary pressure during removal. One effective maintenance habit many homeowners overlook is regular enzyme drain cleaners. Unlike harsh chemical products, enzyme-based cleaners use bacteria or enzymes to break down organic material gradually. They work slowly, but are generally safer for plumbing systems and septic setups. These are best used preventively, rather than during severe clogs. Overnight application often produces the best results. Kitchen grease is one of the largest contributors to serious drain blockages. Even when grease appears liquid while hot, it cools and solidifies inside pipes. Running hot water afterward helps only temporarily. A better practice is wiping greasy pans with paper towel before washing. Restaurants follow similar grease management habits because pipe blockages from fats and oils become extremely expensive very quickly. Coffee grounds are another underestimated problem. They do not dissolve well in water and can combine with grease into dense sludge inside kitchen plumbing. Eggshell fragments, rice, pasta, and fibrous vegetables can contribute similarly. Garbage disposals reduce particle size, but do not eliminate clog risk entirely. Smaller particles can still accumulate gradually inside horizontal drain sections beyond the disposal unit. If standing water remains completely stagnant, a plunger becomes one of the safest next steps. Many people use plungers incorrectly. For sinks, partially block the overflow opening with a wet cloth first. This improves suction dramatically. Use controlled, steady plunges instead of violent force. The goal is pressure cycling, not brute strength. Excessive force can sometimes loosen weak plumbing connections. Drain snakes should also be used carefully. Aggressive metal augers can scratch or damage softer pipe materials if forced improperly. Feed the cable slowly, while rotating gently rather than jamming it forward. Resistance does not always mean a clog. Sharp turns and fittings naturally create tension points. Patience prevents accidental pipe damage that may cost far more than the original blockage. One overlooked warning sign is repeated clogs in multiple drains simultaneously. If sinks, tubs, and toilets begin backing up together, the issue may involve a main sewer line rather than a localized blockage. In that situation, repeated chemical treatments rarely solve the underlying problem and may worsen pipe conditions before a plumber arrives. Multiple drain symptoms deserve more caution and faster escalation. Another important sign is bubbling or gurgling sounds. These noises can indicate trapped air caused by restricted flow or venting issues within the plumbing system. Many homeowners ignore these sounds because drains still appear functional initially. However, persistent gurgling often appears before slower drainage and backups become severe. Plumbing systems communicate problems gradually, long before catastrophic failures occur. Odors also provide clues. A sour smell near kitchen drains often indicates decomposing organic residue or grease buildup. Sewer-like smells may point toward venting problems, dried traps, or deeper line issues. Simply masking odors with cleaners misses the underlying cause. Addressing buildup early usually resolves smells more effectively than fragrances or heavy chemical products, designed only to overpower the odor temporarily. For homes with older pipes, prevention becomes especially important. Aging plumbing may already contain corrosion, scale buildup, or weakened joints. Aggressive drain chemicals can accelerate deterioration internally without visible warning signs. In some older systems, repeated chemical exposure contributes to leaks developing months later. Gentle maintenance methods may seem slower, but they reduce long-term plumbing risks substantially. One practical habit is installing mesh drain strainers everywhere possible. They are inexpensive, easy to clean, and dramatically reduce hair and debris entering pipes. Many people rely on strainers initially, but stop using them consistently after a few weeks. In reality, strainers often prevent the majority of routine bathroom clogs entirely. Small preventive habits typically outperform major repairs later. Hot water maintenance flushing can also help. Once weekly, run hot tap water through kitchen and bathroom drains for roughly 30 to 60 seconds. This will not eliminate severe buildup, but it helps move soap residue and minor grease accumulation before thicker deposits form. Consistency matters more than intensity. Plumbing systems generally respond better to regular maintenance than occasional aggressive intervention. One lesser-known trick for shower drains involves removing visible hair immediately after showers while it remains wet and loose. Once hair dries deeper inside the pipe system, it tangles more tightly with soap residue and becomes significantly harder to remove. Addressing buildup at the surface stage prevents many deep clog situations from developing at all. If professional help becomes necessary, describing symptoms accurately can save diagnostic time and money. Mention whether clogs affect multiple drains, whether odors are present, whether slow drainage is constant or intermittent, and whether previous chemicals were used. This information helps plumbers identify whether they are dealing with localized buildup, venting problems, root intrusion, or deeper sewer restrictions. Drain maintenance is ultimately less about aggressive cleaning and more about understanding flow, buildup, and prevention. The safest solutions are usually the least dramatic ones. Consistent habits, early intervention, and avoiding unnecessary chemical exposure can extend plumbing lifespan substantially while reducing repair costs over time. Thank you for watching Everyday Explained, and remember, small plumbing problems rarely stay small when ignored.